What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all having a fantastic week, and welcome to a Wednesday sort of casual upload. I had a package show up today from Warren Industries with some new gear organizers that they've released, and I thought, well, I might as well grab the GoPro and unbox it with you and show you guys just what we got. But then I kind of was thinking, well, what else am I using for organization? And one of the goals I had with the new JL is to try to organize the cargo area organize the cargo area better. And I've been looking at various solutions for tools or fluids or recovery gear, things like that. And I just was looking around the garage, and there's probably a couple things to talk about. First of all, I use these right line gear bags, and I just picked these up on Amazon. This one holds my sleeping bag, and it's got a pillow and an air mattress, and these are pretty waterproof. Like, you can strap them to the outside of your Jeep and they stay dry. In this one I keep some wet weather gear, or not wet weather gear, but gear for if my gear gets wet, as well as some toiletries and some toilet paper. And I need to get another one of these because this is Maddie's stuff. My daughter, that's for her gear when she's out in the Jeep in case something happens. Ignore these. This is my drag link pile. I've ordered 2 wrong drag links, so those got to go back. But what I'm trying to do is organize this bin over here. So this is the bin that came out of the JK that I've been just basically putting in the JL and strapping down every time I go out. And I've got, a bag with tie downs in here, and I don't even know what's in this bag. I've got my Warren recovery bag, which is really nice. This keeps everything organized. Inside I have snatch blocks, some shackles. I've got tree saver strapped to the outside of it. There's a toe strap in there. So that stays fairly well organized, easy to pull out. I've been using these cheap bags that I keep buying at Princess Auto. They are, in here is my wet weather gear. So I've got jacket and pants in case it starts raining or snowing. I can throw those on. But what I'm really trying to do is organize some of these loose bags of just tools and such. So I've got like wrenches. Pop one of these open. So in here I've just got miscellaneous pliers and vice grips, wrenches, zip ties, all that kind of fun stuff that you might need out on the trail for a quick fix. This one I'm not even sure what's in here. And this one as well has some tools. And then I've got another bag here of loose screwdrivers that I bought and I just chucked in there. And I have a full socket set that I carry with me, as well as a whole, sockets, wrenches, ratchets, and I've got impact sockets and whatnot. So I'm trying to figure out, how can I start to organize things better? And so I was ordering some parts from Warren, like I always do. Doesn't everybody just order parts from Warren all the time? And so these came today. Well, I ordered some new soft shackles. These are some soft shackles from Warren, 1/2-inch Spydura. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. Nightline soft shackles. This is their new reflective soft winch line. You can actually get this in, I think, 80 or 100 feet for your winch, and it's got a reflective line in it, so if you're winching in low light or the dark, you can see it better. But I like that it has the red woven into it, and especially on a winch line you can see it a bit better rather than just the black, and then people that are standing around may not see that you have a winch line. So I might replace my winch line with this, but I want to check out the material. So I ordered a couple of these soft shackles to throw into my recovery bag. I seem to have a collection of fair leads, but in this bag here is what kind of got me thinking about this video. See if we can get it out. This plastic. What we have is a new line of accessories from Warren. This is their Epic tool organizer, or Epic seat back organizer, whatever you want to call it. But it's kind of neat in that it's got some pockets. It's got some nice storage pockets in it that all zip up. I think it's made out of Cordura fabric. And then you can roll it up like this, and I guess put this, make sure I keep the camera on. I can roll it up and put this strap around it, and then I can hook it somewhere on my Jeep. It's got a couple of carabiners on here, and it's got some MOLLE connectors on, so you could thread some stuff onto it if you wanted to hold more in here. But just generally just some random pouches, some random sized pouches, and Velcro straps on the outside. So I think what I want it to do is load my tools in here, or some of my tools. I think I also want to get one of those roll-out mats that you put all your wrenches on, and maybe put that in the middle of here, and then we could put some of the screwdrivers and pliers and vice grips in here. But I just wanted to check this out. Yeah, see, Cordura fabric. Just grabbed this from Warren. I thought it was kind of a neat product that they put out. They seem to be putting out more and more accessories, but essentially I was just kind of wondering, you know, what is everybody doing for storage? I've been looking at different gear bags. So goals with how I want to organize my gear are, I want to have it secure so it's not flying around if we're bouncing around or going up steep inclines. I want to be able to strap it down. I want to be able to have it organized so I don't have to pull everything out to get to one specific tool or item or something like that. I don't want it being super heavy, so I don't want to get like a loading shelf or something that slides in and out of the back of the Jeep. But I was looking at different gearboxes. I'm looking for something that might be super strong, that can take a ratchet strap and be, you know, yanked down to the back of the Jeep. But I kind of thought that was good. This tool organizer was kind of handy because I can put it off to the side and clip it down. And then tools are one of the things that it's nice to be able to get at fairly easily, along with your recovery gear. So I always keep that gear bag right there, either in the back seat, so I just pop my back door open and I can grab it, or I keep it right at the tailgate, so as soon as I open the tailgate I grab it. So what I really need though is a way to store my tools better, and then I need something to store my fluids. So I do like to carry around some oil, some transmission fluid, some brake fluid. Actually, brake fluid's a great one that most people don't carry around, because if you rip off a brake line and you gotta clamp it off with a pair of vice grips, you may have lost enough brake fluid that your brakes aren't gonna work. So it's always nice to have a little bit of brake fluid in there to top off your reservoir if that does happen. But I bring, you know, a jug, you can put some water in if you run out of coolant or something like that. So I'm looking for a container that's secure, I can lock down or ratchet strap down. If something spills in it, it's not gonna spill over the back of the Jeep. But as well, organizing my tools. So anyways, guys, just was thinking with this box that just arrived, I was like, why don't we talk about storage and see what you guys are doing for storage options or products that you might recommend. Leave me some suggestions down in the description. I would appreciate it. I'll go check them out. And if I see something cool, I'll buy it and then review it on the channel, and you guys can see what I think of it. So anyway, it's just a quick Wednesday upload. Don't forget to check out the vlog from last Saturday. Awesome vlog. I put a ton of time into editing it. I thought it turned out really well. And I'm gonna have some more tips or mods coming for the Saturday video in a couple days. So make sure you're subscribed. And if you enjoy this video, leave a like. I'll see you guys soon in the next upload.